Hi guys, Courtney here. Now that the weather is cooling down, we're all craving a bit of comfort food. I'm going to show you now how to make my cheesy potato gratin. This is the ultimate winter side dish using Carisma potatoes. Carisma potatoes are naturally 25% lower in carbs. They're a quick cooking potato, and from the 3rd to the 30th of July 2024, 25 cents from the sale of every Australian 2 kilo Carisma bag of potatoes sold at Coles will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation for them to continue their amazing work with hands-on positive food habits with our Aussie school kids. For this recipe, you'll need a full 2 kilo bag of Carisma potatoes. I'm going to leave the skin on. These naturally have a really thin skin, so this makes it less prep and we keep all the nutrients in the potatoes. Grab a sharp knife and tucking my fingers in, I'm gonna slice all of the potatoes into really thin rounds. You can use a mandolin for this, but a sharp knife and a steady hand will do the job. And that's what you're looking for. Potatoes that are around 1 to 2 mil in thickness. I'm just gonna repeat that with our 2 kilos of potatoes. Once the potatoes are all sliced, pop them into a large mixing bowl. I'm adding in a few sprigs of fresh thyme, grate in some fresh garlic, add in a few grinds of cracked black pepper. I'm putting in around 150 grams of sour cream, pour in around 200 mils of thickened cream, a big spoonful of Dijon mustard, season generously with sea salt. And now for the cheesy part, I'm grating in some fresh Parmesan, and I've also got some cheddar cheese that I'm gonna grate in. Once everything's in, give it a good mix so the potatoes are all coated in that mixture. Once the potatoes are all mixed, grab yourself a baking dish, and I've lined this with a bit of melted butter. Grab a stack of the sliced potatoes and arrange them into the baking dish side by side. And I'm gonna repeat this until all of the potatoes are used. What's gonna happen is the potatoes that are down the bottom are gonna go really nice and soft, and the potatoes up the top that have all these rough edges, the skin's gonna go really nice and crispy and golden. Once the potatoes are in all nice and snug, just pour over any excess cream mixture to fill in any holes and grate over a little extra Parmesan cheese. This is now ready to be baked. I've preheated the oven to 190 degrees. You want to cook this until the potatoes are nice and tender on the bottom and really nice and golden and crispy and cheesy on the top. That's the gratin out of the oven. It looks amazing and it smells even better. A really nice golden crispy top and some lovely tender potatoes on the bottom. You can serve it like this, but I've got a couple of finishing flurries. Just to add a bit of freshness, I like to grate over some lemon zest, scatter over some extra thyme, and I've got another herb that works really well with potatoes, some fresh dill, bit of cracked pepper, and that is it. So it's as easy as that, just a handful of ingredients and you will have the most delicious winter side dish. Remember, get on into Coles between the 3rd and the 30th of July this year, grab some Carisma potatoes and whip up something delicious, just like my cheesy potato gratin.